Having no feedback is the absolute worst. During COVID, some of our customers wanted sovereign manufacturing of their prototype and small batch production run. We put that quote out to 13 different local CNC machining shops, and we only got 3 replies. A poor experience I've had in electronics is being promised 6 weeks, but that being pushed out to 12 weeks. They say, sorry, you've been deprioritised and gone back to the bottom of the line. It's heartbreaking. There's things that need to be done. There's clients that are waiting on you, trying to get anything done that's a little bit more complex than, sort of simple shapes, especially locally in Western Australia, is always challenging. Trying to prototype those things or do the small batch production runs, the 10s, the 50s, the 500s, has been very hard. It's very hard for us to provide an engineering service when we can't get prototypes manufactured in a timely and cost-effective manner. We're trying to address the key issues, and those things really are communication, quality, and committed timeframes. We want to help make the local innovation ecosystem better so that we have more in our economy than just pulling dirt and oil out of the ground. We want this economy to not just be primary industry. We want to be creating secondary and tertiary products, high-value products that turn raw materials into sustainable businesses. The better our economy and ecosystem, the better it is for our kids. There's lots of local innovation and local manufacturing happening here already, but it can definitely be better. I invite you to imagine what a good local manufacturing experience would look like. In my experience, communication would be number one. Being able to talk with someone who has the capabilities, being able to get quotes back or an indication of price within days, not weeks, would be amazing. Being able to talk to the guys and girls on the shop floor and having a relationship with that supplier where your interactions are always improving. That's the communication that's needed to really get innovative products off the ground. Maintaining a quality standard that has been agreed on is key to local manufacturing done right. The cost is a function of the quality. As long as everyone agrees and that's maintained, then costs should be fixed. If there's changes to the timeframes for whatever reason, it's got to be communicated. So especially smaller quantity jobs where the setup time is the same effort as a larger quantity job, which might take precedence. It really needs to be agreed by both parties, and if there's a change to that for whatever reason, the communication needs to be there. And that's something that we will guarantee. We are an engineering company. There's not many manufacturing processes which we haven't designed for. Everything from CNC machining to plastic injection moulding, liquid silicone, rubber injection moulding, all different types of casting. Design for manufacturer feedback is something that comes with every project that you do with us. It's information that we haven't had come back to us very well from our own manufacturers over the years. The best interactions have been highly collaborative and conversational almost. Some manufacturers that we work with, especially in circuit board manufacturing, there's design for manufacturer feedback throughout the process. We find that amazingly beneficial to the product overall. We then get an insight into how our design affects the manufacturer and how we can make it faster and more cost effective. We can promise you communication within 24 hours. It's a bugbear of mine not getting anything back. We can promise a high level of communication with dedicated manufacturing experts. We would love you to come in and work with us in person. We want to understand what it is you're trying to achieve and give us the best background knowledge so we can give you the best manufactured products in the lowest time and cost. We really want to help more people get their innovative products to market, and we want to help as many people as possible. We want people to feel comfortable and retain their IP right here. Being able to walk into someone's workshop or office and have an in-depth discussion as to why those things are done that way and how it can be done better is always best done face-to-face. We want to create high-tech, high-value things right here, and there's no reason why we can't. We've got these amazing machines that we utilise for our prototyping purposes, getting our engineering customers to market as fast as possible, but we want to utilise them for manufacturing other people's products. Let's do manufacturing better as a local innovation community, leaning on our experience and extending on our capabilities with local and international suppliers to get your job done. There's no reason why we can't do it here in Perth, Western Australia.